Bappa Rawal. Bappa Rawal was the eighth ruler of the Guhilot Rajput dynasty and founder of Mewar dynasty in present-day Rajasthan. Bappa Rawal was one of the most powerful and famous rulers of the Mewar dynasty. In the 8th century, Arab Muslims started attacking Bharat within a few decades of the birth of Islam, which was basically an extension of invasion of Persia. In order to ward off Muslim invasions across the western and northern borders of Rajputana, Bappa united the smaller states of Amer and Jaisalmer to stop the attacks. Bappa Rawal fought and defeated the Arabs in the country and turned the tide for a while. Bin Qasim was able to defeat Dahir in Sindh but was stopped by Bappa Rawal. Some accounts say that Qasim attacked Chittor, which was ruled by Mori Rajputs. Bappa of the Guhilot dynasty was a commander in the Mori army and so was Dahir's son. Bappa defeated and pursued Bin Qasim through Saurashtra and back to the western banks of the Sindhu, current-day Balochistan. He then marched on to Ghazni and defeated the local ruler Salim after nominating a representative. He then marched on to Ghazni and defeated the local ruler Salim and after nominating a representative returned to Chittor. After Raja Mori named Bappa Rawal his successor and crowned him king of Chittor, Bappa Rawal and his armies invaded various kingdoms including Kandahar, Khorasan, Turan, Isfahan, Iran and made them vassals of his kingdom. Thus, Bappa Rawal not only defended Bharat's frontiers but for a very brief period was able to expand them as well.